What is Python? It is difficult to say one thing about Python. Python is an interpreted high-level programming language used for general-purpose programming. Python is extensively used for system administration. It is named after Monty Python Flying Circuit comedy program, which is very popular in late 1970. Python is available for Windows, Mac and Linux. To run Python program, we need Python interpreter, which is open source. Python code automatically compiled into bytecode before execution, so we do not need to compile a program like Java. Python source file typically end with the .py extension. Depending on how you invoke the interpreter, extension may change. Python was created by Guido van Rossum. He is a Dutch programmer. Work on Python began in late December 1989 at CWI in Netherlands. It was eventually released for public distribution in early 1991. At the time, Van Rossum was a researcher with interpreted language ABC, also developed at CWI. But he was unsatisfied with its ability, so he decided to create new language. And the journey of Python began. Python has many features, some of which are as follows: easy to learn, easy to read, easy to maintain, robust, effective as rapid prototype tool, a memory manager, interpreted and byte compiler, high level, object oriented, scalable, extensible and portable.